Inboxr is an all-in-one tool for Facebook marketing and management. Also, you can integrate this tool with your Twitter account to make it have the same features as your Facebook page. This software tool is completely cloud-based, and it works seamlessly with your social media accounts to make your management work easier and faster. Inboxr does all the marketing tasks on complete autopilot, freeing you from the frustrating and repetitive approaching and follow-up works. Inboxr can help you to reach out to both old and new customers, send automatic messages, and build your database. We will soon have a closer look at its features and the following parts on this Inboxr review. Inboxr review. What are the great features? Message all audiences on autopilot. With just a click of your mouse, Inboxr will send mass messages to both current and past inboxes. It can also drip feed the content and offer the upsell on your demand. It saves your time for sending each message to each person. With mass message sending features, Inboxr allows for much more efficient marketing campaigns on Facebook. Boost the conversion. Inboxr understands the conditional sending demand. It can do the if-then tasks. Specifically, Inboxr can automatically follow the past purchases, recommend the offers, and funnel users to the sales page. Build your email list. Inboxr can collect the emails and put them in a database for you. There will be no need for typing and checking the dictation. Once the customer accepts the discount, promo, or coupon, Inboxr will automatically add their email to your autoresponder and start the follow-up. Drip feed content. Similar to email marketing, Inboxr helps you to build loyalty and trust from the customers. It also creates more fans and gives you more sales by delivering your content periodically. One-click installment. Inboxr offers one-click chatbot installment for all niches. You will not need to look for a suitable chatbot for your offers. In other words, Inboxr is a marketplace for everything. Comprehensive follow-up. Inboxr knows who you have just been in contact recent and who you haven't. It then will do the follow-up tasks to make the cold leads warm again. Upsell e-com store. This software tool can approach your customers who already made the purchase. It will recommend them other offers that they may be interested in. Inboxr maximizes the sales potentials, working 100% of its capability to boost sales and conversion. Who is Inboxr for? I'm not a big fan of these apps, but Inboxr seems like a good investment. Anyone looking for a tool that could help to organize the social media marketing tasks could find a good solution in Inboxr app. The Inboxr app works basically on autopilot, which means that you can keep in contact with your customers even when you're not online. It comes with step-by-step training videos and a lot of cool features that could really improve your marketing campaigns if used correctly. It could be for social media marketers, affiliate marketers, email marketers, online business owners, bloggers and content creators, anyone interested in boosting conversion.